Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am here on behalf of Pure Profit Pro. Just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you guys some postcards I'm mailing out. It's the beginning of the year of 2018 and the first business day of the year. I'll be mailing these postcards out. And I have an exclusive postcard for my team. So when you join me, this is just one of the cards I'm using. But I have another template that I'm using. And we have a company that will mail the postcards out for you if you don't have time to do that. But here's a capture page that you'll have with Pure Profit Pro. Mail your postcards, guys. Get started. And it's just that easy. You can market this online, Pure Profit Pro, or you can just simply mail these postcards, which will drive people to your website, okay, to get more.